Melanie with Vintage Makeovers by Melanie. Today we're going to upcycle, recycle this little dude. So got this dresser and it's missing, missing the poles, missing the slides. It just needs a little love. So what we're going to do is we're going to repurpose this and turn it into a cute functional bench. Cherry sign that didn't sell. I measured from here to here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these to fit for my back pieces. So stay tuned for the next video because we're going to do something fun for this, and don't forget to subscribe to Vintage Makeovers with Melanie. Okay, so once you have all your pieces cut, you want to sand them, stain them, paint them, whatever you want to do to make your bench yours. Got it all done. I decided to paint mine Peppercorn by Wisel. This is Relic, also by Wisel on the bottom. All right, so I'm just hooking this all together using a lot of wood glue and my Ryobi Airstrike brad gun. Love that thing. No cord, no compressor. It's pretty awesome. So I'm so here is one way that you can repurpose a dresser and make it into something cool. So you've got yourself a cute little bench. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see let's come up with something cool to do with this cool mat. I will see you next time in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.